Hello, welcome back to the Tuesday Tech Tip from the Kane County ROE. My name is Phil Morris, Director of Operations and Technology. This week, I want to talk to you about one of the biggest challenges we face every day, email overload. If your inbox feels cluttered and important messages are getting lost, one solution is learning to use labels and filters to organize and automate your Gmail account. So what is the difference between labels and folders? Many people are familiar with folders, but Gmail uses labels. The key difference is that a single email can have multiple labels, meaning you can file one message under Project A and Project B simultaneously, something traditional folders can't do. You can use labels to categorize your emails by project, sender, or priority level, like superintendent, archived newsletters, or monthly reports. Labels can be color-coded, making it easy to see which type of email you're looking at with a quick glance. What are inbox filters? Filters are the true power tool for email efficiency. They let you tell Gmail exactly what to do with incoming messages based on specific criteria before you even see them. Automatically apply filters to non-essential emails like weekly newsletters, notifications, or listserv emails, and send them straight to a label. They're still available for review, but they never clutter your primary inbox. Automatically mark emails from specific high-priority senders, like the superintendent or another director, with a star or a custom label so they always stand out. And you can set those emails so you know you will never read them, like system health reports, to be instantly deleted or archived. So how can I create a filter in Gmail? Open a message from the sender or list you want to filter. Click the three vertical dots. Select filter messages like this. A box will appear where you can refine the criteria from the specific sender or with these words in a subject. In the next step, select actions such as skip the inbox, archive it, apply the label, or mark as read. Hopefully, this tip assists you in creating a cleaner, more manageable inbox that only shows you what you need to see when you need to see it. Please take a moment to like and share this on social media. And you can review all the Tuesday Tech Tips at kanerwe.org/TuesdayTechTip.